Hey guys, unboxing for you today the ARCCI 10-inch knife sharpening steel picked up on Amazon. Here we go. So why did I get this? And why do you need this? Well, let me show you. This is my old steel, sharpening steel. A lot of cooking happens here, and the steel over time, when you use it a lot to sharpen your knives, it dulls just like a knife actually. So what's happened is this has gotten so dull, you can't really even sharpen a knife anymore. I could do this, and it's not doing much of anything. So I started looking to replace this, and I found this. Now, let me just show you something because this is really fantastic. This is a 10-inch honing steel. Now, the cool thing about this is it's really, really nice because it's basically a honing rod. And whatever this is, I believe it's a certain hardness. It's a nickel chrome, premium nickel chrome hardness of ARCCI 62. I believe it's the hardness of this. The harder it is, the more it's going to last, because as you actually sharpen the knife, what happens is this dulls. But if this is harder, normally I think it's an ARCCI 56 on a regular, but this is really, really harder. And I used this once already, and it really works very, very well. Much better than the system. So, wow, that is very, very sharp. So if you're looking to replace this for your set, like my old set here, you can pick it up. Again, this is the ARCCI 10-inch knife sharpening steel. Now, just a word of caution, make sure you check the length if it's going to fit also into your existing the wood block that comes with your knife kit, or you can always throw it in the drawer. But check it out, pick it up at the link below. If you like the channel, hit the subscribe button and thumbs up. Have a great day.